Okay, good day. My name is Agbo Sunday. In this class, I'll be showing you how you can use selection by location on QGIS. Okay, as you can see, we have the two layer here, boundary of interest and the grid. In our last class, we learned how to create this grid. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a grid on QGIS, you can refer back to our last class on how to create vector grid on QGIS and watch the video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more videos anytime we drop our new videos. Right? Okay, now for us to start, you need to select a layer that fall within a particular boundary, or that within outside, or that is outside a particular boundary, or that is along the boundary line. You understand? So these are the things that we want to show you in this class. So now the first thing is that let's select the layers that are within this boundary, that touches the boundary. Okay, that are within, and the one that touches the boundary. Okay, so what we'll do, just go to your vector, okay, your research tool, and then click select by location. Okay, so now layer to select from. Layer to select from is the grid, right? Because we want to select the grid. Okay, then the additional layer, which is the intersection layer, is the boundary of interest. Okay, so under the geometric predicate, now we select what we want to do. Like, do we want to select the one that touches, that overlap, that are within? Okay, this is what we want. So I'll just click on run. So you see the software automatically selects the grids that are within the boundary of interest and that touches the boundary of interest. Okay, alright, so that is how you do it. So you can now save this one as, or you can delete this one, or depend on what you want to do before you are doing your selection. Okay, I deselected it, and then I go back again. Let's say I want to select the ones that are outside, that doesn't have anything has to do with the boundary, you understand, at all. It is not within the boundary and is not touching the boundary, so we want to select that now. So I'll go back to vector grid, research tool, select by location, and layer to select from is our grid, right? Okay, additional layer remain the boundary of interest. So in this case now we just click on disjoint. Do you understand? You just click on disjoint, and then we click on run. So you see that it automatically selects the ones that are totally outside the boundaries, that it has no relation with the boundary at all. Okay, so the next one I want to show you again is if you want to select along the boundary, it's only the grid that touches the boundary. Okay, so for you to do that, you go back to your select by location, layer to select from grids, additional is a boundary of interest. So in this case now you click touch and overlap. Okay, touch and overlap, and then click run. So you see the software automatically selects the grids that are along the boundary. Okay, the boundary line, you understand? So this is how you use your selection by location. So after that, you can actually do what you want to do. Like if you want to query this one out, you can now save it as, okay, and have it separately from the rest. So maybe that is only a grid you need to produce a map, so you can now save it as, and then have it as a grid, and then delete the rest and continue with your work. Okay, so that is how you use selection by location on QGIS. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.